All right, now we're doing 7Q, 21 sticks. This is by user 2514386, and 84% of the people like it. So in this game, there are 21 sticks lying in a pile. Players take turns taking 1, 2, or 3 sticks. The last person to take a stick wins. For example, 21 sticks in the pile. Bob takes 2, 19. Jim takes 3, 16. Bob takes 3, 13. Jim takes 1, 12. Bob takes 2, 10. Jim takes 2, 8. Bob takes 3, 5. Jim takes 2. Jim takes 3. There's 2 sticks left, and then Bob takes the last 2 and wins. All right? So we're going to create a robot that will always win the game. The robot will always go first, and the function should take an integer and return 1, 2, or 3. So note we're going to the input will always be valid, a positive integer. All right. So basically, for this game, we got to understand something, right? No matter what, we have to make it to where on the robot's move, there's either 1, 2, or 3 sticks left. So we have to avoid 4, the number 4, getting it to the number 4. Because if we get to 4, then if we take 1, 2, or 3, we're going to lose no matter what. But if we get to 5, if we just take 1, then the other person will have 4, and we win no matter what, right? So let's do something like this. Let's come over here and let's say if sticks remainder operator 4 equals 0 sticks, I should say. What we're going to do is return Math.random. And if you don't know about the Math.random method, it's a static method that returns a floating point pseudo-random number that's greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1 with approximately uniform distribution over that range, which we can then scale to our desired range. All right. The implementation selects the initial seed to the random number generation algorithm, and it cannot be chosen or reset by the user. All right. So basically what we're going to do is do a Math.random and then times the max, so times 3. But since it's going to return 0, 1, or 2, we're also going to add 1 to it. So it's 1, 2, or 3, all right? So we're going to say Math.random times 3 plus 1, all right? And if not, we'll just return sticks remainder operator 4 so that we can get it to so that we can get it to 4 in the end, all right? So let's test it out. And it works, and attempt it, and it works. Awesome. But the thing is, we're always going to go first. So no matter what, if we just always send it to something that's a multiple of 4, we're going to win no matter what. Like if we start with 21, no matter what, we're going to take 1 stick to send it to 20, and then always block them from getting into a place where they can get 1, 2, or 3 at the end. So we'll just take this. We'll do this little slash, comment this stuff out, and now let's test it. That's all we need, all right? Attempt it, and there we go. Submit it. All right, you see right here, there's sticks minus this. We could look this up at some point. Not today. Here's this. Sticks minus 1, we're going to do this, return 1. If this is the case, 2, 3. Well, we did it a different way. Here's our way right here, and then we can just keep going down and check them all out. Let's go over to mine. Just me on this one. Best practice in my opinion. Very much like it, and we'll see you next time.